Customers are the key to any business. If you develop effective interpersonal skills, you can manage better communication with your customers and establish long-lasting relationships. As companies struggle with customer experience and loyalty, they must make adjustments to restore faith in a business, which takes both time and determination. What may appear like a petty negative review on social media, for instance, can destroy your entire reputation? Whereas delighted customers frequently become advocates for the business. They recommend and promote your business. Communication is the core of human communication, and it can make or break a business. The capability to interact efficiently with consumers drives improved sales, repeat business, and referrals. On the other hand, if unable to do that, can quickly lead to reduced sales, frustrated consumers, and negative word of mouth. Hence, it's essential to address customer relationship management with the utmost care. Regardless of how businesses interact with their customers, the bottom line demands to be done well. In this post, we'll look at some of the simple ways to communicate with customers efficiently. Pay close attention to your first impression. 54% of buyers have quit purchasing ability from businesses that provide bad customer experience. This goes on to explain how crucial it is for a company to provide excellent customer service. If a business truly wishes to engage its customers, acquire loyalty from them, and hope for repeat business, they must step up. A substantial part of overall customer satisfaction is obtained from the first impression that you give your customers when they communicate with you. You must have the essential processes in place to manage your customers' inquiries promptly and effectively. Reduce waiting time. Regardless of if it's over a phone call or an email, the longer the customers wait, the more frustrated they get. The lack of speed has been referred to as one of the primary reasons for frustration with customer support. Hence, businesses must have an automated process in place that directs calls to available support agents. This process also requires the ability to inform customers about their possible wait times. Or, they may install a chatbot on their website and interact with multiple customers at the same time. Don't use scripted language. Using scripted language might make your customers feel disengaged. Customers are prompt to realize if someone is using such responses during the conversations with them. This annoys them and does not create a good impression on the business. It has to be ensured that the support agents have real conversations with their customers. Make customer service calls a priority. Customer service is one of the principal modes of communication between a business and its customers. Hence, the companies can't afford to take it lightly. A recent study shows that almost 78% of customers have not completed a transaction or not made an expected purchase because of poor customer service experience. If a conversation breaks down over the phone, customers tend to take it seriously, and they might not give their business. Personalize your communication. The greatest challenge in business communication is treating every customer the same. The customers receive communication through their own standpoint. The most skilled communicators realize that influence starts with the customer's alignment they interact with. The customers tend to prefer and approach people they like to be or who are similar to them. Customers also tend to resist and dislike people who are not like them or the ones who are not how they'd like to be. Personalization not only enhances your communication capabilities, but it is also the only way to really acknowledge, respect, and appreciate the diversity among people. Customer relationship management involves individual influence that one earns and the experience they provide that decides success. Speak to customers like real people. Enhancing communication with consumers spreads as the language used by the company in conversation with them, also to have real conversations at all. That implies having less scripted telephone communications that exercise less transactional language. First, try to frame your style positively and confidently rather than a negative one. Nowadays, it takes much more than just great prices and products to win over customers. It is the individual influence that earns and the experiences the businesses provide that determine whether they will succeed. Interacting effectively with customers produces better experiences and they are more likely to purchase from that business or refer that business to others. Companies must encourage their customer service teams to become a customer's ally in solving their concern, rather than trying to just hit metrics. Businesses frequently let metrics get in the way of real problem solving. Rather than trying to beating the fastest response time, concentrate on engaging customers in a more meaningful way. Communicating better with the customers will create a satisfying customer experience that urges them to buy from that business and refer the business to others. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment, hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos. ONPASSIVE Bill Must.